We are happy to inform you that, as usual, this year also Ayudh has conducted 2 days Srishti summer residential camp at Amrita Kairali Vidya Bhavan School, Nedumangaud, that focused on instilling values, nurturing compassionate relationship and patriotic fervor in young mind. Our resource persons were Rishiraj Singh, Retired Director General of Prison, Swami Shivamridanandapuri, Head of Kaimanam Ashram, Padma Shri Lakshmikutti Amma, a poison healer practicing traditional medicines, Shri Roshan Rajan, Head of Decision Sciences, Shri B.R. Shivanand, Associate Professor, Amrita Vishwavidya Peetham, Dr. Shaji, Associate Professor, Shri Manoj Kumar CJ, Soft Skill Trainer, Shri Setu, Software Engineer and Public Speaker, and Shri Jayachandran, Director of Amrita Shilpa Kala Kshetram. Ayudh, Amrita Yuva Dharmadhara is the international youth wing of Embracing the World, a global network of charitable activities created by Amma. Through Srishti Summer Camp 2023, Ayudh provide a personal empowerment that connect youth with the opportunity to acquire skills in project management and international teamwork. Their program help young people to develop and express their creative and innovative potential, gain inner strength and balance. Students of various schools participated in this camp. Ayudh helps building bridges between youth from different cultures, religions and social backgrounds. It provides a global network of young people who share the ambition to create a better world. This year, Ayudh did a workshop on cyber awareness, how to be the change in the society, manage kids' mind, glory of India, yoga and meditation, and games with unlimited fun. These camps often teach in a less traditional way than regular schools and specifically encourage children to get directly involved in learning process, resulting in a much deeper understanding, develops presentation skills, public speaking, and focus on building leadership skills socially and academically.